Hello, space enthusiasts. We at Indus Space are excited to bring you this challenge as part of the Degrees of Success virtual conference. As we look at ways to expand our understanding of the universe beyond us, we need your help in designing a space habitat. First, choose a celestial body, a planet, or a moon where you think we should go explore. Then, design a space habitat where astronauts can live and conduct research about your chosen destination.
Not only must you get your creative juices running, you need to consider what the environment is like at your destination and how humans can live there with comfort and purpose. Here are some examples of things to consider while you plan your design. What do we already know about this celestial body? Does it have an atmosphere? If so, what is it made out of? What is the surface or geography like? What is the temperature, weather, and climate like?
Some planets, for example, orbit two suns. Some surfaces, like Jupiter's moon Io, are volcanically active. Other bodies have oceans beneath the icy crust, like Europa. Planets can also have weather unlike our own. This exoplanet rains hot iron.
All of these aspects will affect what materials you use and other requirements for your space habitat. A material that can withstand extreme heat cannot be the same material that you would use to withstand extreme cold. Think about any extreme precipitation your habitat may have to sustain. So far, the only space habitat we currently have for humans is the International Space Station, or ISS for short, and it orbits around the Earth. The ISS is made up of many components, including 16 pressurized modules built up over the years like Lego, piece by piece in space. There are various laboratories, the cupola, for the famous views of Earth, living spaces, and more. What components will your habitat need?
We should also think about what humans need to live. What is required to keep us alive? For example, we need shelter, water, oxygen, food, and sleep, to name a few. Just as essential is our mental health. What helps you manage your stress or helps you relax after you've completed your tasks for the day? Astronauts will be away from loved ones for an extended amount of time and will share the same space with the same small group of people. Think about what astronauts will need in order to live and work well with their team of coworkers.
To bring it all together, we invite you to design your space habitat in any way you like. Feel free to design a 3D model with any materials you may have at home or draw it on paper. You could also use technology. Design your own habitat on your own device using software like Paint, Word, or PowerPoint, or websites like Google Docs, Google Slides, or Canva.
And if you're up for a bonus challenge, you can design your habitat on FreeCAD, a free software that you can download that is used by architects and engineers to design 3D products. If you want to use FreeCAD, be sure to read our how-to guide to install the program and watch a video tutorial where we show you how to build a house as an example. You can use the tools and tips to create your own space habitat.
Present your model in a video or slideshow to describe and explain your design in more detail. These are the challenge criteria we'll be looking for in your submission. Explanation of the considerations that went into how your habitat is designed. For example, have you included sections that are vital to an astronaut's health and life during their time in your habitat? Creativity of your habitat design. For example, the exterior look and the layout of your habitat.
Tell us more about the specific space location you have chosen. Where should we explore? What is on the surface and what is interesting about this destination that you have chosen to send your space habitat to? And finally, is there evidence for minimal disruption to the space environment? For example, have you considered how you're going to place your space habitat safely on the ground? We look forward to seeing all your space habitat designs. Good luck!